Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on case ka Sitshwantsho. Uyamkhumbula ngithi uSisters I did quite a few videos zakhe mhlawumbe makuthiwa maningi awu4. Khona la ku what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Ngizofaka mhlawumbe 2 of her videos where they were talking ukuthi ufana no Rosemary. Sisters went on another spree again in life where she was now deleting members for insurance every time. So manje the trial is back. I guess it was supposed to come back last month. It did actually come back last month. But what happened was one of the witnesses got sick. Ayibulalayo wathola 3 million. Guys, there's the stuff that she does, this lady. Let me just give you kancane the stuff that she's done. The last person that she deleted was her son. Her son was staying in Cape Town. Her son is the same person that went to Mamezala with her to back her up, to say, no, my mother, she's not a deleter. She will never unalive anybody in life. Jay, I know my mom. We have to go to that son. She also deleted Sisters. That's when I saw I don't think she's fine. Eh? She went on to delete the son in Cape Town, Mwamlanda khona Cape Town. There was a time where she was now crying in court ethi ngifuna ukulanda impahla zomntana in Cape Town. But how usuyakhumbula manje ufanele utholanda impahla zakho zomntana in Cape Town lo wambulalayo. Ngizongitshela story nje sisaid the son only when the son went to Mamezala to speak about ukuthi uMamezala uthi the mother-in-law says uSithwan actually deleted umntanakhe, right? Kwafika kuMamezala with the son. Lo agcina naye semdelete. Wathi no, my mom didn't delete my dad. He didn't unalive my dad. He didn't do anything to my dad. Who is he telling that story to? The son? To uMamezala, the TV people, plus the grandmother, which is Sithwansho's mother-in-law. Kuthi no, why would you even say that when a green ukuthi my mom would do things like that? She's not that person. You know, she also deleted that same son. I was just like, I'm done with this lady, Mina Shem. I'm like, enough. So she's back again in court again. Go testify abani? Indoda cousin. Laibulala. How was the cousin deleted? The cousin ate a sandwich. On the day of the sandwich, they got sick and was poisoned by Sisters. They went to hospital. She's the one who was talking to the doctor. When the doctor said, man, this person was actually poisoned, but let me just look at her and just see what's going on and all of that. Usithwano didn't want to leave the room. The husband was like, hey, Bopra, let's just now go so that the doctor can see my wife. You know? And Usithwano was busy feeding the doctor other stories other than what the cousin ate. And then before the cousin passed on, told the husband, Sithwansho is the one that gave me the sandwich. And then she passed on. Guys, it's crazy things. I'm just like, Sithwansho, guys, wafika nini la? You know that cousin was actually exhumed last year so that we can look at the body and sing and tell what poison or what happened. Because also kusemakaya, sometimes stuff is done quickly. Hush. And she went into the doctor's rooms. It wasn't even the hospitals. She didn't go to a hospital. She went to the doctor's rooms in some doctor there in Mahikeng. Hey, I want to scary things. No, actually, usi Khumuto Sithwansho Agnes lo obushi usisi lo odli imali zama insurance aunt Sisters, not the cousin, in fact. Yeah, aunt wakhe. That's what happened here. So the husband is the one that's testifying now. And ngendlela akhohlakele ngayo uSithwansho Agnes, isename yakhe phela uSithwansho Agnes. Watshela doctor there at the doctor's rooms ukuthi no, uSithwansho has had ubunolo lo inisi yakhe had low blood. And the husband couldn't even talk. I feel ukuthi like this person is talking over me. I'm the husband here. I must speak to the doctor. USitshwantsho will be like, I know she had low blood lo. Ungalaleli omunye umuntu. Angithi uyazi ukuthi in the next 2 weeks uzothole u3 million when the niece passes on, basically. She's going to get the money. So she's like, I know. No. I know her. Actually, I know her better because I'm the aunt. Your husband can be the husband, but he came late in our lives. Like, you understand those type of people. So she's like, no, she has low blood. I know her. Her husband, he couldn't even speak. He was just standing there like, and then the husband wanted to tell the doctor, she doesn't have low blood, Nyamazi, And the after that, the sandwich, after she ate the sandwich, the scuffing of the sandwich was, the lunchbox was in the bin, and the husband was looking for the lunchbox. Husband, esefuna ukuthi ayithathe mhlamba ayise noma kuma-forensics, and there's just been a lot ngoba angithi uSitshwantsho was controlling everything. So the family is sick or they just passed on now, you get confused. You don't know what you're doing. There's just people like Banjong Usitshwantsho who takes over everything and confuses the doctors there at the doctors' rooms. So Bunolo's husband again says he kept the sandwich container, lunchbox, he's kept in because he was suspecting foul play, like lo auntie lo angimthembi kahle, because my wife just before she passed on, she told me ukuthi no, uSitshwantsho uyena unginikeza upoison ngidle isandwich. She didn't literally say ukuthi poison, but she was like, I ate a sandwich that I was given to by my aunt Agnes. So uyayibona manje ukuthi it's like, so uyamkhumbula ke uKheshi Mabunda, ubrothers lo wayenza icase ka Rosemary Ndlovu, lo wabaqeda naye abantu azoqeda ngisho ingane zakhe ezothi bayafana no sisters. I think they are crazy, they are sick, these people. Ayikho into enjena, guys. There's nothing like this. You remember Rosemary, uKheshi Mabunda is the same investigator who has been investigating icase kaSitshwantsho, because one of the relatives, angathi including her husband Kabunolo, lo who's testifying now, is one of the people that got uKheshi Mabunda to come help them. After he saw Rosemary's case, they were like, hey, bonang umuntu edla my insurance policy monies, can you just come and help us? So we've got problems there. That's how we came here. So uKheshi Mabunda now is testifying, he's gonna be testifying. Guys, hayibo, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. Angithi yakhumbula futhi icase kaSisilo naye wangapha koLimpops is also going to come back icase yakhe. Lo wayethenga imoto. How do you buy? Oqala uzange uzofuna ukufunda wena as a police officer. Uhleli nje loku detective or warrant officer 4 years and years. At 43 ngabe wahamba wayofunda ubhizi ubulalana nabantu, waqeda lapho wahamba wayobulala abantu. But my thing is that when it comes to lento ngisho ukuthi you didn't want to go to school, ngisho lento ukuthi uwe drive imoto, crazy cars, ama-Toyota, you can't, guys, as a warrant officer drive those cars, or as a detective, you're still very low in the ranks of SAPS. People started questioning ukuthi umshado wakhe, did you see a wedding? There was imali ayithola a week before lo mshado. People were like, so many cars, Land Rovers too. No. Icase yakhe lo iyabuya did it last year. Yeah, this lady lo wangapha in the north. Yeah, so sima lapho kancane ngale yaSitshwantsho, it's actually continuing again today. Just wanted to do some nqamps around it. Thank you so much, guys. Ngithanda over.